Namaste everybody. Today I will be telling you about these Bal Gokulam books. How are they inspiring to me? These Bal Gokulam books are inspiring to me because they tell me about stories like great men and people and great women. So examples like Vandani Tayaji and Shri Aurobindo ji. They did many great jobs in their life. And these books teach me about Bharat Darshan, yoga, sanskar, and fun activities. And of course, shlokas. There's so many shlokas in this book. So it also teaches about Ramayana history and Mahabharata history. I like the Bal Gokulam book because it teaches morals and stories about our tradition and Hinduism. And it has a lot of fun activities. And in those stories, it tells us about our gods, the temples, and everything. So, yeah, this is how I like my Bal Gokulam book. Namaste and thank you. Bye.
I have been teaching Balagokulam for past 9 years, and I still take chunk of my time to prepare for the material and come up with syllabus just for a quarter. And this book is for 1 year, and it is prepared by experts in the Balagokulam. And the content is very unique in this book, especially complicated topics like Vedas and Yoga Sutras were told like stories to kids. And also topics like for places we have Bharat Darshan, for people we have Sant Parampara, Veer Parampara and Sangh Parampara, and for fun we have arts and crafts every quarter, and there's lots of games in the book which you can play as a family or at Shaka. And this book also is a great resource for onboarding new Shikshaks, because they can choose from the topic they're interested, and also the material is ready for them to prepare. That helps them focus on how to take the activity rather than gathering the material needed for their session. And also it is a great book for kids as well, because the kids can go back after the session and refer to the book if they are very interested in the topic, and if there is any follow-up work needed, or if they're preparing for Swayam Pariksha. And some cases, the book is a great resource when they miss Shaka, especially during the summer when Bala miss Shaka, when they go to Bharat like 4 or 5 weeks. And also it helps new kids too, when we tell them like this is the book we are using and this is what we covered and this is what I told you today. And they can always go back and check on the book. It's a great way to even communicate with the parents, because most of the shakas, the balas are separated from the tarun, and they don't know what we are teaching in the Balagokulam. And even parents are interested in teaching the kids more than what we are teaching in Balagokulam. If they need to, help the kid with some of the topics they are interested in, this is a great book. And also the bottom line is whether your shaka is established and you're looking for new material, or it's a new shaka where you don't have many volunteers to help with the Balagokulam, this book is a great resource for all of us.
Hi, this is Supriya, and I have been teaching our small kids within the age of 5 to 10 the religious book and the culture of Bharat. So this book, Bal Gokulam, is really good in that aspect. What can be the better way to tell our next generation the life we live, the traditions that got embedded in us for the years, which helped us grow and be successful? Books are the best way to do it. I have all praises for Bal Gokulam, the volume 1, 2, 3, and they have all the aspects covered: the stories, the shlokas, the rich heritage, Hindu heritage. and the history of Bharat, how it evolved. And the best part is that it speaks about all holiday destinations that as a child I have gone. Above all this, as a parent living in the United States, and when you travel back to India to meet your family, you hardly get time to really cover all the whole peninsula or the entire Bharat as a country. But in this book, you actually travel. I mean, all the destinations are so well covered. That is one good aspect that I like about connecting to the roots. And then there are games and puzzles for self-assessment in this book, so that is one more attraction. And and I somehow feel that one word that is said can go unheard at times, but reading the same will build your thought process.
Shaka. Bal Gokulam gives you a learning of 360 degrees. It has yoga, khel, stories, scriptures, and much more. As a Bala Shikshak, we not only teach but also learn so much. Swami Vivekananda said, "The secret of life is not enjoyment but education through learning." Bal Gokulam gives you an experience of teaching and learning.
Bal Gokulam is really a unique book as it provides information about our culture and religion in an easy and meaningful way. My son, he is a 10-year-old, grew his faith by understanding meaning behind them. The fun activities in the book, Bharat Darshan and Swadhyay, are his favorite topics. This is the perfect book for young kids to learn and practice our Indian religion and culture.
Namaste. I like the Bala Gokulam book since it teaches our Balas, Sanatana Dharma, and its values in a very simple and fun way. It has good stories from our Puranas, Itihasas, warriors, and inspiring personalities. It also has a Swadhyaya section that talks about issues relevant to kids, like how playing video games for a long time and being on the internet for a long time can impact their health and personality. It also has several fun games like math games, word games, board games, and it also has art projects that kids really love.
As a Bala parent, I feel Bal Gokulam book is an interesting, exciting and fun way to give knowledge about Hinduism and feel my Balika connected to Bharat and our culture. Bal Gokulam gave her a chance to learn about our great temples and great yogic wisdom. Also, the art and craft work encouraged her to do all the puja and festivals preparation all by herself. Bal Gokulam book worked great as a bedtime stories. Dhanyavad for bringing it up.